also gonna try to make this color. So let's get on with the video. So first you need a bowl, and then on this bowl, you are going to add an amount of glue that you want. I'm going to add a little bit to my glue. So just like pour it. And so, here's how much we have. Then, after that, we're going to be mixing all of that up together. And my cousin here will be the tester if it's stretchy or not. So just mix that in. Okay. So once it's all mixed, it's going to look like this. Okay. So next we're going to add some eye contact solution. I recommend, leave it in. I recommend getting the multi-purpose solution, the Equate. It works really good. So, okay. And you'll know when it's coming together, when it's, can you hold the bowl please? When it's all sticking to the spoon and like not the sides. So, and it feels like slime. So that's when you know. So that's when you know it's coming together, and that's when you know it's looking like slime. Looking like slime. And we're gonna add a little more eye contact solution. And the solution, when you add it, it makes it not sticky to hands, like other people's hands. And yeah, so there's the slime. And yeah. So yeah, see, it started to feel like slime, and it's not sticking to the spoon anymore, so that's surprise. So after you're done, like mixing all that solution in and everything, you're gonna grab it and just knead it. And then if it's sticking in your hands like this, get eye contact solution, get more eye contact solution. Okay, so it's like really sticky. So I'm gonna try adding baking soda, and you're gonna need 1/4 of a teaspoon. like that much and just pour it in there and like mix it. Can I get a bowl back to make my? You're gonna make some? Huh? You're gonna make some? And then, well, I don't want to waste the food. So okay, so it's a little bit of glue because I had like blue food coloring in here. So it's not sticking. So I have baking soda if you want to, yeah, add 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda so it can like stop sticking to your hands and everything. So yeah. Okay, so we have our slime right here, and it's pretty stretchy. So next, you're going to need food coloring. This is optional. I like to add food coloring, but I have the neon food coloring. I'm going to be able to get this color. You have to probably get the neon ones. So I'm getting baby blue and a neon green for the stuff. So you're gonna add 1 drop of blue, 1 drop of green, 1 drop of blue, and 1 drop of green. So basically it's gonna be like this. So this is blue, then this is green. Or not like, it's not a green, it's like a, yeah. Let's do it. You're just gonna like mix that all together. And like you can see like blue, and then there's green. Ugh. That looks weird. And just to let you know that food coloring does make it a little bit more like hard, so that's where you're probably gonna add like 1 drop of each color. And I just want to let you guys know that never mix all of the colors in one slime, because it's gonna turn out really ugly, the color. Trust me, because I have done that and I didn't like the way how it turned out. So we're getting there. Just keep on like mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing, or like keep on kneading it. So yeah, it does make it a little bit more like non-stretchier. So we're probably gonna need more of the shaving cream to make it like stretchier. So let's get this and add that bunch of shaving cream. So then I'm going to get some contain solution, just a little bit. Then just mix it in. And I love the way how it smells. So it's a lot more stretchier than it was before when we added all of the food coloring and everything. Yeah. That's basically about it, and that's how you make slime. Yeah. That's how you make some fluffy slime. And this is the color that's like this one, but this one is just This one is, wait, hold on. So this one is darker than the new one that we made, and this one's a lot more like fluffy than this one. Let's try adding shaving cream to this one. Just add that much. It's probably not going to do anything because I made this a while back. So, yeah. But that's basically how you make fluffy slime. That's how you make fluffy slime. So, thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe and comment down below if I'm going to make more slimes that's even more fluffier. And, yeah. And also, hit the like button and subscribe, comment down below, and comment what you want me to do. Yeah. So, bye you guys. Have a great rest of your day, and keep on smiling.